In the heart of 19th century India, amidst the tranquil landscapes of Kolkata, lived a young soul destined for greatness, Swami Vivekananda. His story is not just one of a man, but a tale of unwavering determination, spiritual enlightenment, and the relentless pursuit of truth. Born as Narendranath Datta, he possessed a fiery spirit and an insatiable thirst for knowledge from a tender age. His inquisitive mind sought the deepest truths of existence. Through his teenage years, he was drawn to the teachings of Sri Ramakrishna, a saintly figure whose wisdom and spiritual guidance transformed Narendranath's life forever. Under the tutelage of Sri Ramakrishna, Narendranath delved into the depths of spirituality, experiencing divine revelations and moments of profound introspection. He imbibed the essence of Vedanta, imprinted with the belief that every soul is potentially divine. Embracing his spiritual calling, Narendranath shed his former identity and emerged as Swami Vivekananda, a beacon of wisdom, compassion, and courage. His journey took him far and wide, traversing the length and breadth of India, and eventually across the seas to the west. In 1893, Swami Vivekananda stood tall at the World's Parliament of Religions in Chicago. His presence commanded attention, his words resonated with profound wisdom. He began his iconic speech with the words, "Sisters and Brothers of America," and instantly captivated the audience. He spoke of universal tolerance, the harmony of religions, and the essential oneness of humanity. His message echoed across boundaries, transcending cultures and religions. Swami Vivekananda became an ambassador of Indian spirituality, introducing the world to the ancient philosophies of Vedanta and yoga. His teachings emphasized the importance of selflessness, service to humanity, and the pursuit of truth. Despite facing numerous challenges and hardships, Swami Vivekananda remained resolute in his mission. He established the Ramakrishna Math and Mission, dedicated to serving society's needs, nurturing both the body and soul. His legacy lives on, an eternal flame of inspiration for generations to come. Swami Vivekananda, the spiritual luminary, continues to guide seekers on their quest for truth and enlightenment, his life a testament to the power of unwavering determination, boundless love, and profound wisdom.